Yo, what's up everybody? What's up viewers out there? Welcome to our show. At the barbershop we chilling. So we're about to have some now conversations now. So I got my man Zoo, I got my man Scooter Luda, I got my man Marquis Christian myself, I got my man Kelvin, I call him the Slender, I got my man Space to the Muffet. Where we at?
You already know.
We better get it right.
But now for real though, we're still talking about that thing. About the engine
Selling the fake products.
Hold up, dog. Hold up, dog.
Don't remind me of that thing because I remember the other time there's some liquor that we bought. I didn't taste the same.
Was it? No, but then remember what happened yesterday when we went buy liquor?
Yeah.
It had a different brand cap on. How do you have?
Yeah.
Savannah Russian fans.
Remember?
What the fuck?
It was. It was what? Madam Niche.
The brand. Next month, bro. Next week, bro.
You see, even the way I'm drinking my energy drink.
Show it to the world.
I'm not getting paid.
You are not disclosing what it is.
But the viewers know the size. So,
otherwise, come on, my chance. Fresh. On a Sunday. Oh, drinking.
fake liquor.
Oh, bro. From shit.
Right now, this is a serious situation. Come to think of it, man. Like, these people are feeding us fake things every day. Even food, clothing, liquor, whatever you mention.
Everything. I blame us though, because nothing we just consume. You don't check if, it's like, I don't know. Is there some, maybe like, who health, Department of Health, a part where people like inspect food and shit like that?
Yeah, we do have inspectors.
We do. I'm supposed to say shit like that.
We do.
Don't cut that. I want that shit. You feel
Like in my fucking car.
Oh shit. Oh, that one. The other day I had an argument with this chick though, over that shit. She was like, "Who's wrong?" I'm like, "The nigga ain't wrong."
Yeah, but I'm trying to my fucking car.
Did they have the right to manhandle it? I'm like, you wouldn't have manhandled it if she had got up the car.
Yeah.
Exactly. Get on my fucking car.
The statement was clear.
Because it's like, dog, you can't. I'm trying to. I don't know the story though. I don't know. Tell the story, and then I'll say my part. Tell the story.
Okay, you're scared. Yeah, I do. No, man.
No.
I watched the live of the dude. From
Oh yeah, nothing I born now.
that's when I got this.
Something is totally like ngazi side la list.
I just don't know how to line up.
Like makhuluma like uyasho nje uthi hayi izinto ezanje zenzeka anike umjaji.
She had another video again. In the next two or 3 days, there was another dude who was filming her.
Oh yeah.
The morning after, yeah. There's an Uber guy.
There's an Uber driver.
He was filming.
Jumps in the Uber.
She belongs to this.
That chick is a vibe though. She
belongs to this.
I'm saying.
Come on, I guess the PR, man.
But she a vibe though. You know what I'm saying? She a vibe. Soon as she heard that piano playing in that Uber.
Like nothing has happened yesterday. Nothing has happened.
She's right. She's like, hey driver, you can take us anywhere. And I'm like, this chick dog.
It's a vibe.
I want to hear the story. What's the story?
The story
Yeah.
But umshana wangena emotweni wafika wathini wathi cela bamphuzise like yabona ngizofika emotweni ngicela ngiphuzise.
Oh yeah.
Bamshayise phi onini nabatshathi angingeke emotweni cheap yasuka la kodwa fucking car now ubethe neflow cabanga.
But no, the thing is, what I've heard was that the dude was actually, like with his dudes.
Francis in the floor. Now it's totally different.
Yeah, because now it seems like like they saw these girls mingling around and stuff. So they felt like they should become. How girls approach you probably in the place of
but then it's
sociality. Exactly. So they offered a lift. Exactly. They offered company. So they said the girl popped the champagne.
Who? The girl. Wait.
Inside of a V. Inside of a fucking
V-class.
fucking
Disrespect.
You
you can never eat a pie.
So that's why.
No.
What led to Umchita? I think now you know what.
No, umshana besa demand man.
It first began when the guy lost his phone. And the girl was hiding it under the thighs. That's what the dude says. That's what the dude says. And then they found the phone.
Under her thighs.
Yeah.
No shit.
It was woman shit.
And she acted like she's finding it. Like, I can imagine it. This girl's good at acting. Yeah. This girl's good at
acting. So that's what took the
how much it does.
But the guy didn't react same time.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The girl actually like did more than just stealing the phone.
Okay, then what am I getting the story to say? This chick was claiming and extorting and trying to extort money out of the niggas.
The story leso bekazofika sishe police station.
Exactly. And lapho without knowing.
Hesitation.
Story bekazofika.
How many guys are in prison?
Such things,
yeah.
Nje uqala ukurecorda ngenxa yokuthi not.
As a proof that
Let me ask this question. I'm gonna ask you. Was homie wrong?
No,
telling her to get out of for men handling her out the car.
Exactly, but it's my car.
Okay.
It's my car.
Okay.
I can do whatever I want. It's my car.
It's my fucking car.
GPV is gonna have you.
Never. It's my fucking car.
No,
but like it's crazy, face.
Okay, like, you know what? You can't do all these things, man. And then expect me to be like,
just because
space. Imoti yakho ngiyafika emotweni yakho ngiyangena. Hayi, aningangibemi ngiyazenzela.
Yeah.
Nini ngivula amabhiyeni.
But then it's different.
Nini ngiyantshela ukuthi emotweni ishibhile.
It's different mase kumuntu.
Nini ngifika ifro. Ngithuka fro lakho uphethe ifro la ngentshela nahlanye noba yithu kanjalo.
Nahlanya nale montini.
Ngitheni? Ngabe umuntu apho uzomnendhendlela uthanda ungathanda empama futhi angayithola makathanda.
Mina
na
also ukuthi
I'm out.
To me, I don't look at it as a GPV situation. Yeah. Because even if it was a guy doing this particular thing, we are trying to be, friendly with the guy and we are offering a lift or whatever.
Yeah.
This outside, Jesus Christ.
Who is that now?
Even if it was a guy. Like I would make sure that my guy, I'm telling you to leave my fucking car.
But then I saw Caps also did it's a challenge now, ne?
Yeah, but South Africa.
The guy is handling promos now. The guy is handling promos.
Oh shit! I saw the stock He's like, get on my fucking. It's Mr. No. It's Mr. Get on my fucking car. Check out the new stock. It's a dope promo.
Get my fucking car. It's a trend, man. December is on my fucking car.
Stock is Superman. Like, keep it number, ne? They were telling people to go check. I don't know if it's an album or now.
It can't be number one.
They were just saying people should go check out the number.
Fucking car.
He was doing a small.
It's
my fucking car.
No, it's not. I don't know. We get out my fucking car. He was the one promoting.
He got popular.
Yeah, dog. He was sitting. He got
yazi into emenza bepopular.
Yeah.
Emajideni. siya-understand and uhambule lo mjida kwakhe.
Uyambona
You see that?
uyambona lo mjida.
Uhambule umhenglishe grand lo chair.
In the man, yeah.
Kube omunye umjida mbe ngabe sikhuluma enye.
So I'm just blockaded because I said, you know. No, because I said the woman was not around, and then she was like, "That means you're gonna manhandle me." And then she was like, "Like that, dog."
Psycho.
Why should I think about girls, which is, you know, what I'm saying.
Amantombazane lesikhathi samanje vele awafuni ukuziphansi.
Exactly, they themselves.
But they should be.
Ngizothini awafuni ukuzispanela wona.
Yeah.
Afuna ukuspana.
Like I have in the
Aspana
depending on
maji.
someone. Exactly.
Aspana maji.
I think it was the day after get up my fucking car.
Yeah.
I think it was like late in the day. Man. I go on Twitter, bro. I'm always on Twitter, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all can follow me at Bag Baby 73. Bag Baby _73.
Okay.
Bag baby. Like, you know what I'm saying? 70.
Make sure you write that down. Make sure you write that down.
I think show me say Instagram.
So yeah, though, when I was on Twitter, though, so I'm scrolling through, you know how it is. I meet up with this chick, though. It was I think about 3. She posted AM. Yeah, she posted sitting in her own V class.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Right. I think she posted it, dog. She posted yeah. She was like, I don't know, black child, it's possible.
I saw that post.
You know that. I'm like, shit.
I saw that post.
This
Baby post.
I think the caption was like
Black
child,
it's
possible to
uncool and stuff.
I don't know to whatever in your own way, in your own
that's
class.
What's the craziest thing you've seen at the Groove, though?
Ha! Mina!
Yeah.
Mina as a groovist.
Yeah. Because I know you're always out and about.
Hey!
Nah, man.
Hey!
Mina! Yeah, what's the craziest thing you've seen?
Hey, groove.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know. Hey! Like a space also figure lapha yabo. Yeah, select like umntwana mbona uphosisa uthi two.
Yeah, for you and her.
Yeah, yabona phela so yambona
noma.
umntwana khona egroove. Yeah, uthi two.
Damn.
Naqala iconversation yayibona ukuthi ayabambe yaphambili. Hey, uthi nje kancane ushaya ifike enye ithi 3. Khohlwa gone. But not so katsene marathon.
So that's something that happened to you, though.
Hey, mina ufuna my story. I can't tell my story.
You know what I asked? Yeah, may I ask you, what's the thing you've seen with your eyes?
Yeah, no, I've seen this. No.
You were speaking from as a professor.
Nah,
okay,
mina like angisi groovist so. Nah, listen.
Okay.
Yabo mafika grooving da. I do my thing. Get in. My own things, ngiza nabantu bami, then I focus on things, and then I'm done. If we say born with just wasted, we live together. Angim jologe, you know, notice in tape.
I think Kel's got a crazy one.
For my last thing, fresh in it. Fresh.
2 guys, straight guys, necking. And I was so surprised.
What?
Necking, kissing.
Oh, what the fuck? Like that?
Yeah.
Was it?
Man, I don't mess and keep my cam system Stella promo mane promo senza ma promo Mese kisha makam So izolo benga malabela ke.
Oh, by the way, Gamalabela pets in the last corner.
What you think about the resident DJ these days? What's your man, Chita? That's my plan. blood. That's my brother. Then I got pissed.
Why were you gonna say Piss?
Nah, just right now. Have you listened to
One of his sets.
Piss.
Have you, yeah, Piss. DJ Piss.
Nah, Piss.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kichi, man.
No worry. I know that guy.
Piss is good.
Yeah.
Not like
No,
Wait.
That's not, yeah.
I mean,
Just be honest.
no, I'm honest though.
Yeah.
Have you seen one of his sets?
Yeah, in like not only one,
Let me
more than one.
He turns that place up.
into engithanda ngayo
You understand?
into engithanda ngayo uzothola ukuthi mayifika njengamalabela uthola ukuthi ona nalesound and all that and ukuyo lento yoku DJ and the crowd dog the crowd and kuno MC
Hype woman.
yeah
Got himself a hype woman.
and
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
I don't know you, shorty, but you late.
and the dog. We wanna party. Everyone is on.
Hold up. So you know the nickname, right? Agamalave.
Yeah, in your
Yaban the numbers, dog. Kona the number, but
We good. I want immediately dog that song comes on.
No, that's nice what the number. That's nice what Cypress though. La Majid. But in the Nyoge, everyone was mad, bro, crazy. Everyone who show Anja,
It's a vibe.
it's a vibe. And the Indian cars are putting on like us. Yeah. And then now Lenny like us.
Listen, that's why I'm clicking them passes now.
We can do this.
When you see DJ Piss.
I don't listen to this.
Do I look handsome? No.
Man, nigga,
But fair now. I got la lady, so maybe some judge.
What's
I think that's also a conversation on a touch base on this piano versus hip hop. Cause I know a hip hop head. You feel me?
Leo, yes.
Nah, yes, this is your tata.
Don't you?
What? No. Wait, dog.
Raised by hip hop.
So
all basically raised by hip
I'm
hop.
asking if it was a boxing match.
Yeah.
But no saying tambin.
I'm sure we see
Hip hop will be on the ropes.
impossible.
At this moment.
At this
What
moment.
Hip hop
raised everything.
I'm telling you, but
the
don't
history
forget.
set.
We are not forgetting that. We're just saying at this moment.
The thing is, hip hop has been a global genre
Straight up.
for over a decade, for over 15-20 years.
But right now in South Africa, yes.
If it would be piano versus hip hop, piano
Nah, you know why I'm saying piano versus hip hop?
Yeah.
Cause
Niggas is actually rapping on piano beats.
Exactly.
You feel me?
So I don't think it should be versus hip
Yeah,
hop.
but bafuna adapt to something new.
Really, Machita.
No, we don't say hip hop is dead.
Yeah, it's not dead.
Piano at this moment. It's doing
You
amazing.
very South Africa
And hip hop. Yes. And hip hop.
it is
Nah,
I'm an artist. I'm an artist, dog. I hip hop.
shit, but then you know what?
Nah, I don't listen to piano myself that much. But then I was listening to the song Adiwele.
Yeah, so what's
Wasn't that homie a rapper once upon a time?
Stana. Yes, I mean, I'm giving them a Stana one in hip hop. I'm Mazi hip hop.
I know the name.
Even
Young Stana.
if I'm not mistaken, Setri was once a rapper. Was once a rapper.
So reason 2.
We have a
reason 2 now is
nah, dog.
Young Stana, one song, yeah, one song.
Move with the wave.
You know what? I'm actually yabona sisuka ku lockdown.
Yeah.
Angiyazi hip hop.
Sisuka ku lockdown.
Yeah.
Lockdown ngivaliwe ne.
Yeah.
Country valiwe ama gigs, our hip hop kids awana gigs and all that. Our gigi awenzi nax ahlele emakhaya. Ayikho imali. You understand? And mawuthi yabuye ke mina mayithi yavula president. Uyabuya piano yile phuka. And manje abantu ababhukwayo abantu piano machite piano phela. And when nebe hip hop uhlele koni. So manje uzokwenza njani to?
Vele man adapt.
Kuzudle.
Not necessarily.
No.
Tweets there, here and there.
Unless we compromise.
Uzolalela ingoma yakhulichana
Ayebo mseka kuyini.
Iseka buyile to. Ingoma nje badlalena.
Uleli tu angithi naye she's a rap.
Skanda music.
Exactly.
Yo, you know you touched on something. You just touched on something, and it's hitting me since I might probably be having my last class or my last I don't know, lack of family meeting today. I don't know when the people are gonna be watching this, but
no, we cannot say today.
Yeah,
it's you know.
It's today,
yeah. The family meeting is today.
No, not today. Though.
It is.
It's not today.
It is.
There is a family meeting.
At 8 o'clock.
But then not today.
Yeah, you think you show good together. I don't know when.
Today for us.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know when people are gonna be catching this, but
Then I'm beginning it.
This is
28. Yeah, it was on the 28.
last legal.
Yeah.
This is my last legal drink. I ain't gonna stop.
Exactly. But the president will
What you think's gonna happen if at 11:03?
it is still
It's gonna get Pete's gonna be hard.
Mara, mina looting, that's what I know.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard. Like to
Yabona looting. Wonke umuntu ngqondweni manje uthi wavala.
We're not going to do that.
No, to be honest, dog, like to be honest,
That's South Africa.
Not in Peter T.
Not in Peter T.
I don't know.
Not in Peter
I don't
T.
know.
Mara ngeke phela etha Peter Tifa akazivele izindabeni. Peter Tifa bathi for the news baba. Peter Tifa bathi for the news baba ngalo baba. This is
umkhondo manje.
Umkhondo, yeah.
Not
Umkhondo.
Okay, that's the question I'm asking.
Oh my God.
Get the looting happening.
Now just switch off the alarm for me, please.
In progress.
May the school bag dog. Wait. May the school bag must have
Okay, I got the last question.
Yeah.
Since you know,
What?
Mangobo, I think you are gonna be the first to nominate. I don't know. Why you? Now cause you my dog. You my dog.
The question is like, who are we nominating?
Yeah? No, listen. I'm still gonna ask. I should still gonna ask. After the ad break. On the topic I was on, dog. Ish. But I don't know if it's relevant no more. It's because what were you saying, dog?
No, we were talking about Unats dog.
Oh yeah. Dog. What
They like
happened?
Oshwe ngayo dog bukhaya.
Ngeke bathi amasi uxoshela amasi bekadla amasi
Amasi.
Okay, wait. Bekhuluma noSizwe ne.
Yeah,
Talking to Mike. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bekhuluma noSizwe.
yeah.
On live on air.
Yeah, yazi maba ku radio dog, like those conversations dog ababanazo ukuthi wena wadla kanjani amasi wapheka
Noshukela.
wona uyawufaka intswayi and all
Ayisho
live ne to that thing. And then Sizwe athi unathi aka yena uyalifaka utswayi ne
usizwe
unuts
okay
athi uyalifaka utswayi yena like cream yabo amasi yabe
yeah
athi sizwe nami mina ngifaka inuts like mangipheka nje uphuthu lami ngifaka itswayi noma ngithela amasi ngifaka itswayi ne
okay
and then athi okay mabeqhubeka lokho baphikisana ne athi usizwe I think that's why a relationship yakho ingalastanga because
why would this guy
live on air.
That's why a relationship yakho ingalastanga because of that. Marriage, not just relationship. Okay, we ask my life. We ask my life. Yeah,
exactly.
So I'm going to hide it there. But then, I have a problem. So, and then unatha kale ngokuthi
try to be as loud as we can.
Yeah, so they did my kids, I'm so they did my
okay, right man. Sure.
Be loud as we can. Just talk.
Say, I want
Yeah, I can start. Last week, I said no shading this week. I'm Adam Nama Mishiri.
but then I think in that way, next time maybe some changing that. We have to like the idea me now. So we show right now. Should I say?
Say my nigga.
Sabang guti since umchita run the business. Right now we go business place yeah.
Barbershop.
And then yeah. Since it's a business place yeah. And manje ngesikwazi ukuthi ashi business kanje for the podcast yabo. Next time uzothatha abantu bakhe mhlawumbe 10 or 20 azobafunda ngalelo suku ne and then sibathathe sibayise kunendawo esizoyichuza podcast because ama podcast washaya each and every Sunday ne
There's still a lot more coming. There's still a lot more coming.
so sasa leo izosho what okay good let me finish this then we done so tata like the money back about choose the amount and then we move to then now we go right now Dana sit down by the way
But we can upload them and everything because this is time. At least they're doing their job. Just now we are concerned about our own presentation and how we can get that up. Just now we are making quality content. Normally, we are struggling technically. Everything we are guys, we're gonna take you next time. See you on the next podcast, guys. Please at the barbershop.